Today I'm making mojo on Cooking with Amanda M.
All you need to make this easy recipe is lime, garlic cloves, salt, and corn oil. Now, if you want to make a bigger amount, then you need more lime and more garlic. So you're gonna grab the garlic and put it in your press crusher and add a little bit of salt and mash it up. Then you're gonna cut the lime and squeeze the juice into the press crusher. Next, you're gonna warm up 1 tablespoon of corn oil. The trick is not to let it get too hot so that the garlic doesn't turn green. If it's smoking, it's way too hot. And then you just add it into the garlic and stir. You can use mojo on vaca frita, which I'm gonna upload a video on how to make that pretty soon. Tostone, patacone, mariquita, whatever you want to call them. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming recipes on Cooking with Amanda M.